Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Karina Syabani from PBI 7B. So now I will present to all of you about my journal. The title is The Effect of Using YouTube Video, Show English Online on the Pronunciation of Speaking Skill of the Students. Before I start to present, I will say thank you to Mr. Hafid Ali to the opportunity for me. So let's move to the background of my title. Yeah, as you know that the pronunciation is an important aspect of speaking ability. Since it directly influences intelligibility, communicative ability, or ability to communicate effectively. This is because learners who lack good pronunciation may not manage to communicate effectively their ideas, even if they possess good vocabulary and grammatical competence. Um, di sebagian besar IFL, terkadang guru juga mungkin tidak mengucapkan pronunciation secara efektif gitu ya, karena mungkin mereka tidak memiliki cukup banyak waktu dan juga what is it, paparan gitu ya untuk menawarkan pronunciation training dan juga konsentrasi utama mereka juga mungkin lebih ke grammar ataupun ya cara menulis yaitu writing. The development of technological and media resources is offering innovative solution to these problems. YouTube, as one of the widely available media platform, is offering authentic audiovisual research to help students familiarize themselves with native speaker of expert. One such YouTube learning channel is Show English Online yang saya gunakan di jurnal penelitian saya. That specialize in pronunciation lesson pertaining to sound, word stress, sentence stress, and intonation. It enables the students to listen to the audio repeatedly to practice their pronunciation. Using YouTube videos in learning pronunciation may thus improve students' speaking ability, especially the pronunciation aspect of their performance. This is the problem identification. So even though pronunciation is considered a key factor, if a person wants to speak effectively, it is still a fact that some learners tend to show incorrect pronunciation, wrong stressing, and wrong intonation when speaking English, as traditional learning environments tend to use teacher modeling and textbook explanation, where there is limited exposure to real models of pronunciation and a lack of opportunities to listen and imitate correct pronunciation elsewhere outside the classroom. Similarly, even though YouTube is used intensively by most learners as a leisure tool, its use as learning tools, especially in pronunciation improvement, is yet to reach its full possibilities as learning assistant tool, especially since most teachers tend not to use YouTube video resource due to a lack of empirical clear evidence regarding their learning success. Hence, it is important to determine if YouTube video resources from Show English Online influence significantly the pronunciation aspect when speaking English. Yep, there are three research questions in my journal. So for the first is, does the use of YouTube video Show English Online have a significant effect on students' pronunciation and speaking skill. For the second is, to what extent does the use of YouTube videos improve student pronunciation accuracy in terms of sound, stress, and intonation? For the third is, how do students respond to the use of YouTube video show English online in learning pronunciation for speaking skill? Dan ini research purpose dari jurnal penelitian saya. Untuk yang pertama, to examine the effect of using YouTube video show English online on student pronunciation and speaking skill. Yang kedua, to identify the improvement in students' pronunciation after being taught using YouTube videos. Dan yang ketiga ada to explore students' responses toward the use of YouTube video show English online as a medium for learning pronunciation. So this is previous research. Recent studies after 2020 consistently show that YouTube videos are effective in improving student English pronunciation. Research by Rahmawati and Cahyani 2020 and Sulistianingsi 2023 confirm that YouTube, especially videos featuring native speakers, enhance pronunciation accuracy and student motivation. Quantitative and experimental studies also indicate that the combination of visual and auditory input in YouTube video leads to better pronunciation outcomes compared to traditional methods. However, most research has focused on general YouTube content, with limited attention given to structured educational channels such as Show English Online. This is research gap. As you can see, despite existing research on YouTube in English language learning, limited studies have specifically examined Show English Online as a focused pronunciation learning research. So, selain itu, banyak juga studi kasus yang membahas persepsi atau motivasi students daripada mengukur efek langsung dari kinerja pronunciation gitu dalam keterampilan speaking ya. Jadi untuk lebih lanjut penelitian dalam konteks kelas EFL itu masih benar-benar terbatas gitu. Therefore, further research is needed to investigate the effect of using Show English Online YouTube videos on student pronunciation and speaking skill. For the next is theoretical framework. There are 3 theoretical framework in my title. So number 1 is pronunciation and speaking skill. Pronunciation is a key component of speaking that includes segmental feature such as vowel and consonant, and suprasegmental features such as stress, rhythm, and intonation. According to Harman 2007, clear pronunciation is essential for successful oral communication, as mispronunciation can lead to misunderstanding even when grammar and vocabulary are correct. For the second is audio-visual learning theory. According to Myers' Cognitive Theory of Multimedia Learning, 2009, learners understand and retain information better when verbal input is combined with visual element. YouTube video provide both auditory input such as sound and intonation and visual cues as mouth movement and facial expression, which support pronunciation learning. And for the third is YouTube as learning media. YouTube function as a digital learning media that offer authentic language exposure and opportunities for repeated practice. Richard 2015 states that authentic input helps learner develop more natural pronunciation and speaking competence. In this study, Show English Online serve as the instructional media used to support pronunciation improvement. For the next is research methodology. For my title, there are four research methodology. Number one is research method. So this study employs a quantitative approach using a quasi-experimental design to examine the effect of using YouTube video from Show English Online on students' pronunciation and speaking skills. The method is chosen to measure students' pronunciation performance before and after the implementation of YouTube-based instruction and to determine whether the treatment result in significant improvement. For the second is participant or source. The participants of this study are 11th grade senior high school atau kelas 2 SMA. They are divided into experimental group and control group. The experimental group receive pronunciation instruction using YouTube videos from Show English Online, while the control group is taught using conventional teaching method without YouTube videos. For the third is collecting data. Data are collected to speaking tests administered as a pre-test and post-test. Students are asked to perform speaking tasks and their pronunciation is assessed based on accuracy of sound, stress, and intonation. Additional data may be collected through questionnaires to identify students' responses toward the use of YouTube videos in pronunciation learning. For the fourth is the analyzing data. The collected data are analyzed using statistical technique or SPSS to compare student pronunciation score before and after the treatment. The result of the experimental and control groups are examined to determine the effect of using Show English Online YouTube videos on student pronunciation and speaking skill. And for the last is the conclusion of my journal is the use of Show English Online YouTube videos has a positive effect on improving student pronunciation skill. Through systematic and audiovisual based material presentation, students obtain clear and authentic pronunciation models, both in segmental aspects such as vowel and consonant sound, and in suprasegmental aspects such as word, stress, rhythm, and intonation. Repeated exposure to correct pronunciation, accompanied by visualization of mouth movement and easy to understand explanation, help students improve their pronunciation accuracy and reduce errors in speaking. In addition to improving pronunciation skills, the use of Show English Online video also has a positive impact on students' confidence and engagement in speaking activities. YouTube allows students to learn flexible and independently, so they can practice according to their individual needs and learning pace. Thus, the integration of Show English Online YouTube video in pronunciation learning can be an effective and relevant alternative in learning English as a foreign language, especially to support the optimal development of student speaking skill. I think that's it from me. Thank you so much for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.